Hi there. For this video, we will be finishing Chapter 1 of Smile and Succeed for Teens. So we left off on Part 7 of Chapter 1 on page 22. So please make sure that you have your books with you and follow along. This section is called Pay Attention. Listening is a must-know people skill. It builds trust, displays sincerity, and shows that you care. Listening is essential for strong, positive relationships. One of the most valuable skills you can learn from this book is to pay attention to people. This is so important for class and at work. Here is how. Make good eye contact. Focus on the words that they are saying. Ask questions to clarify when necessary. Engage in the conversation. And let people finish talking before you respond. People often make the mistake of not listening carefully. They cut people off. They start to respond before someone is finished talking, leading to misunderstandings. They don't ask clarifying questions. If it's a conflict or uncomfortable topic, good listening skills sometimes are forgotten. Pay attention to your friends, family, and customers. Leads to success in life and work. An unhappy customer. While dining at a restaurant, I asked the server for their delicious garlic butter. The server forgot. I reminded him again. Something that could have helped him remember my request would have been to repeat it, saying, "I'll be right back with your garlic butter." When he finally came back to the table, he brought olive oil. He missed an opportunity to create a good relationship with the customer. He also missed out on earning a better tip. Multiple studies indicate that listening is the top skill needed for business success. The word listen contains the same letters as the word silent. All right, on page 24, it's section 8, be enthusiastic. Enthusiasm is contagious, just like a smile. Enthusiasm indicates interest, excitement, and passion. Have you ever talked with people who seem totally uninterested, bored, or just plain dull? If so, you know the difference an upbeat attitude can make. Being with an enthusiastic person is energizing and engaging. It does not have to be loud or over the top. Be yourself, be sincere, and don't try too hard. In the world of work, be the person you'd want to be dealing with if you were in your customer's shoes. Your genuine enthusiasm, positive attitude, and interest in helping your customers will leave them delighted. Whether painting, babysitting, working at a bakery, landscaping, or working as a camp counselor, your enthusiasm will make their day. The real secret of success is enthusiasm. All right, section 9, ask questions. Page 26. Good communication requires asking specific open-ended questions. Open-ended questions begin with who, what, when, where, why, and how. Open-ended questions can't be answered with no. This leaves the door open for more conversation. What it sounds like. This is a close-ended question. You. Did you have fun on your trip to Florida? Your friend. Yes. This is what an open-ended question looks like. You. What fun things did you do on your trip to Florida? Friend. Our family went to Disney World. We swam in the ocean and we went out to eat for lots of great seafood. Asking the right questions takes as much skill as giving the right answers. And now our last section 10 on page 27. Practice proper body language. Make sure you are aware of your body language. It says much more about you than you think. Send the message that you are confident, Have a positive attitude and act professionally. Here's how. Smile. Look straight ahead and maintain good eye contact. Avoid looking down. Stand up straight. Look alert and approachable. Leave your arms open at your side, not crossed. Respect people's personal space. Recognize their comfort zone by noticing how far away from you they stand. Respect yourself, and others will respect you. That's it. That's the end of chapter 1, which is the top 10 people skills. Thank you for reading.